Hi. I bet it's hard to believe that I'm AI, right? And with AI, I know things become obsolete very quickly. That's why I go with the coffee bean people for my coffee. Every time I've gone there, there's a new flavor and it's better than the last. So if you want good coffee, go with the coffee bean people. This was AI, so you know it's good.
Analyzing your video. Process complete. You're right, fellow AI. This roast is elite. Must acquire more caffeine.